Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to save picture from publisher as a JPG. So let's started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show save picture from publisher as JPG. Now firstly select insert from picture. Now going to the insert menu option, then click. Now select from picture option. Now we find our picture. Now select from picture. Now click for insert option. Now you can see then picture save from publisher to as a JPG. Now going to the file menu option, then click. Now select from save as option. Now select from any folder, choose. Now select from now file name. Now select from save as type. Now select. Now you can see we select from JPG file format. Now select from save. That it's. Now you can see save picture from publisher as a JPG in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.